Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of foldable smartphones with the Xiaomi MIX Z tri-folding phone. This innovative device is generating buzz for its sleek design and cutting-edge features, so let's explore what makes it stand out. Design and display. The Xiaomi MIX Z features a stunning zero-bezel design, which means you get an immersive viewing experience without any distractions. The tri-folding mechanism allows the phone to unfold into a tablet-sized display, measuring a whopping 8.03 inches. This large screen is perfect for multitasking, gaming, or watching videos. What's really cool is that when folded, the device remains incredibly slim at just 5.26 millimeters thick, making it one of the sleekest foldables on the market. The use of Gorilla Glass Victus ensures durability, while the innovative hinge technology promises up to 500,000 folds without wear. Touch buttons and functionality. One of the standout features of the MIX Z is its touch buttons. These buttons are seamlessly integrated into the display, allowing for a clean and modern aesthetic. You can customize these buttons for various functions, enhancing your user experience. Whether you're taking photos or navigating apps, the touch buttons provide a responsive and intuitive interface. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the quad camera system co-engineered with Leica. This setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, giving you versatility for all your photography needs. Plus, with features like OIS and advanced image processing, you can capture stunning images in any lighting condition. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the MIX Z is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring smooth performance whether you're gaming or multitasking. It houses a robust 4,800 mAh battery, supporting fast charging so you can spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your device. What do you think about the MIX Z? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.